keep having dreams of pioneers and pirate ships and Bob Dylan, of people wrapped up tight in the things that will kill them, of being trapped in a lift plunging straight to the bottom, of open seas and ways of life we've forgotten. I keep having dreams. Amy worked in a bar in Exeter. I went back to her house and I slept beside her. She woke up screaming in the middle of the night, terrified of her own insides. Dreams of pirate ships and Patty Hearst.
Hi, this is hitchhiking time again. We have been hitchhiking from Sabina train station. We got the first driver, Federico. Thank you, Federico. Grazie mille. Well, we're going to Rieti, 5, maybe 6 kilometers far from here. So I'm gonna try to make hitchhiking again. If, well, look for a good soul who can help me. And that's it.
Bueno, estoy aquí en la autoestrada de camino a Rieti. Paró la policía, no me di cuenta, y me dijo que no puedo hacer autostop. Quedará en mí decidir. Bueno, caminé 200 metros, 300 metros, encontré otro nuevo lugar, como pueden ver. No es mucho, alguna buena alma puede llegar a parar, así que vamos a probar si alguien frena.
Hola, ¿cómo están? Bueno, hace 15 minutos llegué a Rieti. Quiero agradecer mucho a Fabio, que me supo acompañar en este tiempo en Roma. Quiero agradecer a Dario, quien me hospedó la última noche en Roma. Y quiero agradecer también a Federico y a Domenique, que fueron las personas en la ruta que me ayudaron a llegar a Rieti. Vamos a ver qué la ciudad nos puede mostrar. Espero la puedan disfrutar como yo la voy a disfrutar. Nos estamos viendo. Chao, chao. And come morning, I am disappeared. Just an imprint on the bed sheets and by the roadside, with my thumb out. A car pulls up, a boat's driving, so I climb in. We don't say a word as we pull off into the sunrise. And these rivers of tarmac are like arteries across the country. We are blood cells alive in the bloodstream beating heart of the country. We are electric pulses.
So I could find a place for my tent in a park near the train station. And the next morning I came across these beautiful people, Erica, Marcelo, and their cute little daughter, who invited me to breakfast and talk about my project. Thank you for everything, Erica and Marcelo.
Well, some hitchhike again. I'm going to Spoleto, so let's see what Spoleto brings.